Janessa, me and her have been living here for the past 6 weeks doing missions. And I'm standing in front of the Parliament building known as the Palace, which is the second largest building in the world. So we'll be giving you a brief tour of Romania, of what we've been living.
So a really cool fact about the Parliament building is that it has 4 faces, and each face is completely identical to the other one. That's one of the reasons it's the second largest building in the entire world, is based off of square footage. And me and Jewel actually got the opportunity to tour the inside of the Parliament building, and we stood on this balcony right over here, somewhere over there, and we got to see a complete view of this area and around Bucharest, so it was really awesome, and we definitely recommend that if you ever get the chance.
It was very pretty too.
So right now, Jewel and I are currently in Revolution Square. This building right behind me, right here, is the building that Ceausescu, the former dictator, gave his last speech. This square that we're standing in right now, it was full of people, and at the time when he was giving his last speech is the time that they finally started to come against the dictatorship. We're not experts on this by any means. We were just given a brief history of it when we got here, but this is the building where he stood and gave his last speech before he went on the run.
It's me and Janessa again. We're here at the Roman Athenaeum, and we were able to get a concert here. The music was just beautiful. It was wonderful. The first song, I got emotional because it was just like, you know. And then the other two songs, I felt like I was in a cartoon, like.
Very beautiful. I'm pretty sure that we actually were able to sit at the very top is where the concert was actually held. So that was really awesome. If you ever get the chance to do that, definitely do that while you're here.
Triumph here in Bucharest.
Here's what it looks like. We're underneath it right now. And you can get a little view. Very tall. We're currently on top of the Arc de Triomphe right now, and this is our view.
Things over quickly.
It's a lot of stairs. We are here at our last stop on this walking tour. We are in front of the university in the plaza area, and this is a place where a lot of our missionaries will come, or anyone who's going to be here in Romania for a long period of time, and they'll come and study Romanian here. A lot of foreign students come and study here, so it's a really beautiful area.
Thank you for joining with us today. Thank you for this joyride that you came along. Have a great day.